So welcome to PowerShell for SQL Server DBA class, and today I am going to discuss day 10 class. Actually, what we are going to do in the day 10 class, till now we have learned about how we can develop the script, right? Today we are going to see how we can schedule the script, right? Because I have shown you, like if you will see, that's the most common way where people means SQL DBA, or just I'm talking about Wintel people. So you have seen many times Wintel people will be you are asking why this server has been rebooted. He will tell this is the plan schedule, right? Have you heard about this? If you are asking this question from your Wintel guys, so they will tell this is the planned schedule. We have not restarted. It was already planned and server was restarted automatically. Then your question is, please, this is the SQL server. Always ask me if you are going to restart even the plan also. You have to inform me, something like that, right? Right or wrong? Right. Sometimes they will create the change for 6 months also. 6 months, this day we are going to reboot the server, like that also they will do. It is happening or not in your organization? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Happening, no? So how this is happening automatically? There is something called task scheduler. Have you heard about this task scheduler?
No, sir.
No. Okay, no problem. So this is the window which one you can see to scheduling any task. Means like, because what I want to explain you to, till now what we are doing, we are just running our SQL PowerShell script manually. We have shown you, just like this is the day 10 class, and I am going with this space, and I taken this one. Instead I will remove it. Just I went here. What we are doing, this is the manual way to run the script. I have given here, I just executed. So you can see here no HTML file is there. If I'll go and if I'll execute this manually, what happened here? This is created, right? This is having some disk level of info. This is the one way where you are running it manually. There is a one way to run the script. I'm showing you which are the manual way to run, which are the automatic way where you are going to run the script. That is the one way. Second way, I have shown you what you can do. You can go to this path directly, and I will delete this disk first. I have deleted it. I went to the PowerShell script CD. I will put, I have done the change directory and I pasted here. I was there in this directory, and what we are going to do, I am just giving this HTML. So I will type here disk and I will press step html.ps1 file. I executed. Again, this file is created. This is the one more way to delete this. So I have deleted. This is the one more way. Means you can run using directly. You are copy this and you can paste here. You can run, or otherwise directly you can give the path, and you don't want to see anybody to see the disk report. So that also you will able to do, right? So that also you will able to do. Third one is what you can go from the command window also, and you can open this as a run as administrator. And here just you have to type that PowerShell and press enter. So what happened, your this one will change to PS. You can see this is the PS, right? So also you can go to this path. You can type here CD. You can give that location and just you executed disk and you press the tab, you enter it. So what happened, again you can see this file has been created. So this is a one more way to execute the script. So I have shown you, and one more way is there directly. You can take this path. Oh, sorry, what happened? Copy this path. You can go to file. You can go with the open. You can go here directly, like this also you will able to do, and which one you want to open directly you can do. So this time execute will be executed here. This is also one of the way where I have executed. You can see that file has been created. So this is the also one way where people is what they are going to do. They are just developing their, they are running the script in such a way. So what you understood, there is the multiple of way to run the script. Either you can go to the manually to run the script, either you can go to open the file, or you go to that location and you run the script. So today we are going to see what we are going to do. We are going to see how we can run the script. So there is one more way people will do, like just you can see here. So some of the time how it is happening, just example I'm going, which are the tool is there in your organization to monitor some alerting system, right? Tell me which tool you are using, Sandeep, which tool you are using, Venkat.
Logic monitor, sir.
Sorry.
Logic monitor.
Okay, logic monitor. What about you, Sandeep? Venkat, you are there? No. Okay, there is the many tool is available, like you can see the SCOM, right? Service management tool, Jira. There is the many tools are there which is using to monitor the SQL server. So if something goes down, it will be monitored, that it will be automatically trigger, it will trigger the alert. Or some of the time, just example, this you can monitor this any alert in such a way also, like if you don't have much more alerting system, people what they are doing, they will go to the recovery. You can see here, like what happened, you have started your SQL server and this services is not starting. That time you want to send the alert from this services, that also is possible. Like first failure, no action taken, second failure, no action, third section you can give the, you can write what, run a program, right? You can go with the run a program, and in the browse session you can go and give that PowerShell file where it has to be there. This services is not able to start, go and send the email, right? That is also one of the way you people is putting some of the PowerShell script into this file also. So either you can go with this, this is the also one way where people is using to scheduling the job, correct? So even you
Yes,
can,
sir.
you can try in your, whenever you will be free, you can give it try, you will understood. This is that is not scheduling the job. This is means if anything will be happen 2 times of failure, that time what it will do, it will be go and it will be just trigger that script, and what logic you have written into the script, that will be going to be implemented. But I'm talking about how you can schedule the alert. So you can see the task scheduler. I can go to the right click and you can go to the create task, or you can go with the basic task also. Here what you are going to do, you are going to write some name of the task. What name you want to write, you can write. This is up to you. Something you want to give the description, you can give the description, means why this alert is there. Next one, you can go with the triggers. Trigger is nothing but it is a schedule. You can go to the new. So you can see the when you want to run this job, so you can give the, there is a mini detail is there, so you can see that. Or on schedule means just you schedule the timing, it is same as your uh, mm, SQL server thing, how you are scheduling the job. You can go with the action also, what action it has to take, means whenever it will be going to start the program, what it has to do. You can write any logic also here, means it will be start means, so what it has to run some script, something you want, you can do that also, because you have to give that script also. Sometimes you have to run some, when this schedule will start, what you want some PowerShell script has to be run. So you can give the program name here, some path will be here, something optional is there, so it is up to you. So like that you are going to schedule the task. These are the condition and setting you will not understood, but you have to analyze it, then you will understood what are the thing is there. So that is the one way how you are going to schedule the task. There is one more thing is there, I forget to tell you. You can, whenever you are going with condition or action, you go to new, there is something called start program. If you want to send email, that also you will able to set that, means whom you want to set. If you have not written the details about that script, you have not written like to sending email, so that also you will able to do that in the second part. So in script it is not written sending mail concept, so you can go with dip tab and you can give whom to send mail and what to what kind of thing you have to send the mail. That is the one way where people will use to sending the email. That is the one thing. Same thing, whatever we are doing in the task scheduler, we are going to discuss using the PowerShell how we can implement that. What I want to say, if what happened, just your, like if you have 10 server, and in the 10 server what you are going to do, you are going to schedule, you are going to create the schedule for the all server. You have 200 server, So how you cannot go one by one, right? We will use the PowerShell script to do the scheduling the all 1000 or 100 server. So we'll see that. We will discuss this into the script. That is the one way. Second way, you can see there is something called SQL server related thing. I'm going with SQL server. I'm just starting my services. So then only we will see that. What is this? Check working. There is something I have written the program into this PowerShell program. So that is the one more thing I am going to show you. People, what they will do, they will write some PowerShell execution file in one. After that, you will able to give that PS1 file location also. What will be happen this PS1 file? I will go and I will check what is there inside my D drive. Oh, I can't open directly. So you can see this is the same where I am opening check services. You can see I have added some check services, means this is the where it is check services. So I'm opening this. What is this script? This script just it is checking SQL Server 2. This is just an example, Venkat and Sandeep. Don't think this only you are going to implement. According to this, I am showing you how you can execute any PowerShell script using the SQL Server. That is the way. So don't think that only why sir is giving this example. There is no use, means you have to develop the code as your convenient. So just what I am going to do, I have written the logic. I think last class before I have already explained, if this services is down, it will start that services. That thing, that only logic has been written here. So which one I have written here? SQL Server 2012. So what I will do, I will try to stop that services. SQL Server 2012. I will go and I will stop. Just I'm testing whether SQL Server. So this is a stop now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to here what I have written. I have written the where is my exe file is there for the PowerShell. After that, I have given the path of the PowerShell file, and I'm going to execute this job. If this job is going to be executed, what will happen? It will be going to start this services, which I will stop now. So what I will do, I will just right click and I will going to start this services. We'll see what it is going to be happen. So you can see this job has been completed successfully. If I will go here, if I will refresh, you can see it is not running, maybe some problem, but you have to, what happened to this? Now it is started, right? It is taking some time to start the services. Now you can see it is started. I will stop one more time. Maybe that time it was there for the process of running. So you can see here, I have not created any delay and all. Once I will start the services, we'll wait for some time. Maybe my services having, so you can see it's required some time. So just we'll wait for few seconds, not much more, at least, because my server having depending upon your temp db and file. Like if your temp db you have given more, so it has to generate all space related things, so it will take some time. So now it is came, right? So what you understood, you can run the job using this way also, and you can go, you can create the job, and what time you want to schedule, you can go and you can schedule your job. So in this time, so people what they will do, you don't want that services has to be down even a single minute. So what you will do, every minute you go and schedule this task. So what happened, every 1 minute this job, or every 2 minutes, it will continuously go, it will check the services if it is down or not. If it is down, it will automatically start the services. If it is not able to start the services, it will send the mail. So you have to write those kind of code, no doubt into this. Second thing, if you want yeah, tell me, Venkat. Who are there? Sandeep, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, that in job you given the C drive path.
Yes,
C, the,
yes.
which path that means?
This path is exe file. Here my exe PowerShell file is there. You can, whenever you are executing this one, whenever I am writing PowerShell, so what happened, this is somewhere I can see and right click and then opening it. So there is the, if you will go to the file location, this is opening from here only. If I will go not here, if I will, it is here also. If I will go here, you can see this is the file location.
Okay.
This exe file there, whatever you have seen, if I am right click on the PowerShell, actually this is executing this file only in this location. So where my exe file is available, because everything is exe only, right? Everything is program only. If you are right click, if you are doing copy also, there is some program it is running, right or wrong?
Yes. Yes.
So if you are opening either cmd, so cmd also having some executable file, so somewhere it is pasted. So where is that? That location I have given here.
Okay.
After that I am putting my script file, so this one will open that and this one will run the script. So here more thing you will able to see, means this file having automatically logic to read the configuration file, that one last time which one I have shown you, right? In this location only you will save the configuration file if you want to run. But some of the time what happen, people don't want to, they will tell, like last time requirement came, he told go and write here d drive and some configuration cfg file, means same not wet file, so it has to read this file also. So that also you will able to do, but I am not able to discuss more thing. If you will see here, my clean dump I have written. So if you will not clean dump, there is a backup all user db dump. So just I will go through it. So just I will opening and I will show you. This time what happened, there I have given the 2 line only, but here you can see that I have written 3. One is your, where is your PowerShell file is there. After that I have given my ps1 script, and after that I am passing my configuration file, means it is the same notepad, what is the configuration setting has to be passed. So this time I'm using 3 file here. This time my PowerShell will automatically understood he has to go to this location to read the configuration file. But in your case till now whatever I have explained, I have not explained to, I have told, I have explained you to PowerShell will read itself, logic has been written inside this file, right, where it has to go and pick up. You, if you want, you can go one more step extra, means SQL server has to take the itself where my configuration file is there, where my ps1 file is there. That one I have not explained, but later if you want I will explain you. But first you complete this much of thing. So next thing, if you want, you can run the PowerShell script. You can type here, type is there. If you are clicking on the type, you can see there is the cmd file, there is the mini type is there, which type of thing you are going to schedule. So you can go and you can give the PowerShell, and if you want you can write the direct code also into this directly. So same script I have copied here. So what it is going to be do, if I will go and if I will going to delete this file, and I, this is the same thing, the same code I have written here, and if I'm going to execute this, so what is going to be happen, it will be start this job. Once the job will be started, what it will do, it will, I have deleted the file here, right? So you can see file has been came here. So if you want, you can go and you can write the PowerShell script also directly to in this file, in this here. So this time it will go and it will be run the PowerShell from here. It is up to you. If you will see, second line I have given sending the email. So if you want, sending the email also I have sent. Once it will be go and you will write into the same file also. It is up to you how you are going to schedule it. So till here no doubt, right? The today class is very simple class. It is not that much tough class. Getting or not? So
Yes,
you
sir.
can see there is the mini blocking session and all script I has been written. So blocking every hour, long journey monitoring, insert data into the log shipping, file copy, update. There is the mini programming I have written, HTML, index maintain, all are PowerShell level of thing, owner information of the database. So there is the mini job you can schedule, and whenever it is required, just you right click and you can run. So configuration, so it is up to you how you are going to mm, do that kind of thing. You will able to maybe this blocking is not there, so I will not get any alert into this failing. Also maybe some setting I have not done proper setting, so because of that maybe I'm getting that this kind of uh, thing. So it is up to you how you are going to do. You can do that. So that is the one thing. So it's here, no doubt, right?
Yes, sir.
So this one you have to do some practices. And now what we are going to do, I have already explained you about the task scheduler. So this time what we are learning about the PowerShell script. PowerShell script, how we can do multiple of work. So I'm opening this file. I'm going through it. I have went here. So I have just pasted it. So you can see what is going to happen. This time I am scheduling my job, and I have written some name and some scheduler also I have given it. What I will going to do, I want to run this script. So just I have to see whenever you are running any PowerShell script using the task scheduler, you have to create the shared location. Otherwise, if you have given the proper permission, it is not give any problem. But if the permission is not there, that time it will start failing. So you have to go with the shared location. I have already created the shared location. If you go to the property, you go to the sharing, you can see this is the shared location path. It is there, right? You know that how to create the shared location, because and I have given the proper privileges also. I will go here, I will just pasted thing to in this here. So what I will going to do, I will go, and if I'm going to execute this, what is going to be happen? I just executed. This time it's went there, and it is creating automatically that scheduler for the PowerShell. Just wait for some time. It is already the process of executing. It's taking time, maybe. Why it is taking? Name should be this one, my task. If my task is there already, then it will be start filling. My task is already there, that's why it is not creating. I will just delete this. Okay, this time I will go and I will execute. So this time I executed because task was already there, that's why it was not creating. This is a my task, whatever name I will give it is a my task, and I have given the PowerShell, and I written this all in this way. So what is going to be happening in this? If I will go to my task, where it is created or not?
Refresh one.
Huh?
Refresh.
Where it is?
Right side.
Where you are saying I can't see? Okay, 10 minutes you have to log in again. And it is why it is not created.
Bro, refresh the one. Refresh the job list. Right side is our right side.
It came. So my task you can see. If I'm opening this my task, what I'm able to see? Trigger, it is already scheduled, right? Which schedule I was given, the same schedule it is taken on the one time every 1 minute. So how I have passed, you can see here I have passed here 1 minute, month, minute, second, something like that. You have to go and you have to just analyze it. If you're going with the action, what action is happening, what path I have given, this program is just PowerShell, and whatever I have given, it is written here. So what is the schedule is there? In that schedule, the job will run and it will be create. I have already scheduled for every 1 minute. So maybe if I will wait for 1 minute, so what is going to be happen? It is going to be schedule the job. Already it is going to run. So just we will see, or otherwise if you want to run the job, so see here automatically it's came. I have not run, so automatically this job is running and it is creating the report. You can write one more file, go and pick up that at the file and send it to all. So have you understood how we are going to creating that kind of thing, right? No doubt. So this is the schedule of the job. Getting now?
Yes, sir.
So you can go through it, and after 10 minutes you have to do again that this one you have to do. Okay, what I am going to do now, because time is already there, I will go through some of the command now. So this backup check DBA tool, I'm going to discuss about the DBA tool only, and few more important thing I will discuss. There is no need of discussion of that this kind of thing, right? Get DBA space. You have already last time you have seen, right? Get DBA space. These are the DBA tool level of things. So if I will go here, if I am pasting here, so it is up to you. Either you pass some server level of information, or direct you can pass the node also. It is going to give the result into some proper format, right? Correct? This thing I think I have already discussed with you, right? Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Have you gone through it? There is some more script we will discuss now. Get DBA database. So if you are going to see what kind of information is going to give me on that using this script, so I will going here and I'm just writing this. So see here, I'm just talking about some command, but you have to write this script. So name is parameter SQL server. It is not there. I told last time also, it is changed to what it was there. Not instance. Get I will check. I told no last time also it was changed to some other name. Either you can go with the get help, or you can go with the yes, SQL instance. Correct. It is a change to SQL instance. So I will go here, and if I go to execute this, it is going to give me the all database level of setting, a database level of information, right? So that is the database. Something if you want to get about the database level of space, that is very, very important. Many time people will do that. Many time you required this kind of things. Get DBA database space. So you can give the SQL instance here. I'm writing the cluster name, that's why it is node 1, node 2. It is written here. I will just pass my this one. I want my database, like I have one test database. Test database is not there. I will see which database is available for me. I can see that adding the DBA test is there, no? Why it is not giving? Or DR is there. I have given the wrong server name. I will go to the correct server. I will type my DB. My DB. I just executed it. You can see that all. What happened? Why this is also okay? So maybe this is, it is not the term. Get okay? Maybe this one is. This also is changed sometime. Why it is?
Pick for in the description and the command list that was available.
See here, this command they have removed from get DBA database. I want some database space. Let I will see database. Space is not there. I think space I will write. So I will check that which is something is related with database space. DBA log file, get DBA this space, get DBA space.
DB space.
Maybe this only it will work.
DB,
It will work. So just you have to, sometime they will change the script. So this is my everything was. So if I'm going to execute this, what is going to set? Okay, I will not go to discuss on this. Maybe some problem you can check where is the problem, why it is going to give me the problem. It has to pass in this way. Localhost. Not default. You can give that this also. You should not have to pass in this way SQL instance, something I have written here, right? Directly you have to give this. You can give hyphen database.
No, bro. In the above one, you mentioned two: SQL instance localhost, SQL instance desktop.
Yes,
Two
yes,
you have
yes.
mentioned.
Yes,
That's
that's
why.
why it is. That's why it is failing. So something if you are doing wrong, it will not give the proper result. So you can see that all detail will come, right? Log file name, what is the size and all. So just you can go and it's easy to figure out using the DVA tool. So I'm talking about next line. This is very, very, very important command. After 2 minutes, it is going to be log off again. So what is there? Get DVA, and this command is very, very useful for the DVA. It is really very, very useful. So what I'm going to do, I will check this is the only correct command, otherwise it will going to be failed for me. Yeah, it is there. We will go here inside that command. I don't want to do any mistake. So you can see here it is just you can give and you can pass the SQL server. You can go and do that all, I think same only, whatever it is written here. Yeah, it is same. So just what I will do, I will take my local host name and I'm just going to execute this. So what you are going to see, it is going to give me some of the information. So actually this is why this is very, very important, this command. Many time what will be happen as a DVA, what is happening, they will run some backup, they will run some restore. Anyhow in the Google, you will easily you will able to find out a backup command, how much time it will take for backup, how much ETA is there for the restore. But this command you will able to get if you are running any alter index reorg related thing, right? You are running a dbcc check db command. If you are running dbcp check file group, if you are running dbcc check table, if you are running dbcc in this one, if you are running any string database command, something, if you are running on the rollback of the encryption, restore, backup, it is going to give you the estimated time for the all command whatever you are seeing here. And it is very, very difficult. Always people will do some rollback, but they will wait. If somebody will ask, tell me the ETA, and you will tell, no, I don't know how much time it will take, right? It is happening. Backup, restore, easily you will able to get, right? You know that also. But if I'm asking, go and check, I have ran the dbcc check db, how much time it will take to complete, right? That time you will not able to say the answer, right? Correct or wrong? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
So if you are going with get db estimation completion time, so you will able to get lot of command, lot of details about this, guys. You have to, and you can see here directly in this link itself, it is saying go to the GitHub. I have already explained many scripts which one I am copying. I'm copying from the GitHub. So you can go to the GitHub also, you can see